we didn't catch any of that.
That's fine, because I didn't catch it on mine either.
Alright, start over. I'll stop it. Alright, let's go.
Yo, what's poppin', players? Doing a board setup video, got the Supreme Chicken Dinner, and I am in beautiful Port Scheme Skate Shop right now, run by my man Jay. Boo, 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 boo. So really quick, we're going to do a talk about, Jay said that if this video gets to 1 like, he's going to give me $3,500 store credit.
That's a lie.
So let's get it, get me that 1 like so that I can do a dope shopping spree video on the channel.
Bigger lie.
Nah, we're going to do it. 3,500, he agreed to it. Signed a non-verbal, non-legal binding document. So what do you think? What do you think about the giveaway?
Still a lie.
So it's back. Alright, so I got the Supreme Chicken Dinner board, Supreme trucks, and Supreme wheels. Because balling on a budget. And May's here too. I don't know if you can see him though. How's business, Jack?
What's up?
How's business?
That's fine. Is this your shit?
Yes. Hey! No, May, not you. Oh yeah, also, if you don't live in my area and you want to hit up this beautiful skate shop / Supreme store, if you're not in the area, they have a website. Yeah. At portschemes.com, right? I'll put it up on the screen thing. Yeah. Alright, and the board is set up. Because I'm so quick. Board set up, finished product. I'll get the B-roll on yours. Oh, got my old man ligaments.
Hit that hardy. It didn't hit it. You good.